In this video we are going to see the different equipments and devices which we are using to perform the lab experiments. This one is the breadboard, one of the key device component. Then this is the oscilloscope which we use for displaying the inputs and outputs. What you are seeing now is the transformer, and we connect 230 volt AC at the primary side of the transformer, and we obtain 6 volt output. This is a center stepped transformer, so we have 3 terminals here. The terminals are 6, 0 and 6, and we usually take the output 6 and 0 for our experiments. This is a signal probe which is used to connect the signals to the oscilloscope. Oscilloscope has got many number of switches, knobs and buttons. Each and every one has distinct function. We will discuss them in detail. Now with the help of the oscilloscope, we are going to analyze a signal. We will go and discuss about the function of the switches and buttons or knobs which are available in the oscilloscope. This is a 2-channel oscilloscope. You can see 2 volts per division knob, and there are 2 position knobs on top of them, vertical, and there is a horizontal knob just right to the vertical position knob, and there is one level knob. So this vertical position knob corresponding to each channel, you can adjust the position of the signal line in the oscilloscope. Similarly, horizontal position knob is used to adjust the position of the line horizontally. I will explain about the level knob while we show the signal. Then only you can understand what is the main purpose of this level knob. There are many push buttons available on the oscilloscope. All the push buttons should be in the off position actually, and you can see on top of the voltage per division knobs, it is written channel 1, channel 2 buttons. Those buttons need to be selected. Actually, if you want to use only channel 1, as I said, this is a 2-channel oscilloscope, so you can analyze 2 signals at a time. And if you want to select only channel 1, then you have to press the button channel 1, or if you want to use only channel 2, then you need to press the push button channel 2. If you want to use both of them at a time, then you have to keep both of them pressed. And another one is, so these 2 are the voltage per division knob, and at the right side you can find another one, seconds per division. That is used to adjust the time division of the signal you are applying. So you can vary the voltage per division of the signal and time per division of the signal only for the display purpose. You cannot control the signal. So if you are applying 5 volt signal with 50 Hz frequency, the signal will be 5 volt and 50 Hz only, but you can analyze the waveform by adjusting its volts per division and time seconds per division by using these control knobs. So as I mentioned, all the push buttons should be kept off, and with respect to the channel which you want to use, you need to select either channel 1 or channel 2 or both of them. Then just below the voltage per seconds knobs here, you can find the probe connectors where you will connect the probes. So the probes are used to connect the give signals to the oscilloscope from the circuit which you are going to analyze. So now what we are going to do is, we will produce a 6 volt AC signal with the help of the transformer, and we will give it to the oscilloscope to analyze the signal. Okay, how we can adjust the voltage axis and time axis in the signal, and how you can analyze the signal, or when you are applying a signal, how you can take its scales and how you can obtain the values from the oscilloscope is what we are going to discuss now. For that purpose we are going to use the transformer which I have shown you at the beginning of the video. So see here we are using the transformer which I have mentioned about. The 230 volt supply is given to the transformer. We have connected the wire and we are turning on the supply now. So the signal is available at the secondary side. That means 230 volt input is given and we have taken 6 and 0 output from the secondary side of the transformer. We are giving we are connecting the output signal of the transformer to the probe which is connected to the oscilloscope. Now we are seeing the signal. Actually the 6 volt AC signal is given here. If you have a look at the voltage per division knob, I have selected channel 1, it is 5 volt, and if you have a look at the times seconds per division knob, it is 5 milliseconds. So to analyze this signal, what I did is in channel 1 I have connected the signal, and see whenever I vary the voltage per division, that will vary the y axis, and whenever I change the time per division or seconds per division knob, then the signal will vary horizontally. So by adjusting the amplitude knob, I can adjust the signal vertically, and by adjusting the time knob, I can vary the signal horizontally. But this is only here for the analysis. The value of the signal which you are giving as input is not varying here. What is happening here? For the analytical purpose, we can adjust the signal amplitude and its time per division only in the scale. Okay, that is very important. And now I see the level is used to hold the signal. When we are giving signal, the signal will be always on the move. So in order to hold the signal, we use that level knob. By properly adjusting the level knob, we can hold the signal so that you can analyze the signal.